All right, so in our last video, we unboxed the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. So what we're gonna do today is actually set this up for the first time. As you can see, we still have the little pull tabs on there. We'll go ahead and take those off. It's very, very nice. And then they've got lots of notifications letting us know that the camera needs to be updated. I just have a problem with these guys. I don't know why. There we go. Looks nice and pretty there. And then we've got the card over there as well. So let's go ahead and charge this battery up. And then also, I don't know why I always have a problem with these doors. We'll go ahead and charge this battery up and then also install the update together as well. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. And actually, we don't need to unplug this. I've got a GoPro cable right here. So we'll go ahead and do this. So we'll see what happens. That's one of the things I like doing with these videos is showing you exactly what happens when you set things up for the very first time. Got the traditional GoPro notification there. We are in English. Sure, I agree. Yep, we want it on. It's okay. This is going to force us to have the SD card, so we'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, I definitely have a problem with these. I know it's overkill, but it works, so we'll go ahead and use the knife. Maybe that'll work. And as we're going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. This is the SD card that came with my GoPro, so just in case you're wondering. Helps if I put that in there correctly. I know, it's okay. So go ahead and take the battery out first, because it's usually easier to get that card in there without the battery in there. Then we'll do that, and all right. So we'll go ahead and format it. So now you can see all of my trials and tribulations here. Again, this actually isn't that bad. It's mostly a problem only because I'm showing you guys all the things that could go wrong, and I'm doing it in front of a camera. So that's typically when things go wrong. Same thing in my professional life. Whenever I'm doing a live demo of the software, it's always has problems, but anyways. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let this format, and when this is done here, we'll be right back. All right, so that took a while. I'm not gonna lie to do that format, but I'm not sure why that did it, but it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the quick app here. And what we're going to do is install this together. We're going to go ahead and click on the Add New. And it already found it, which is awesome. So we'll go ahead and connect. And go ahead and do pair. Gave it the sound, letting us know that it was pairing. And while we're going through this, like I said before, if you have any questions, ask down below. All right, so sure. That'll work. We don't need to rename it. So we'll save it. Go ahead and continue. And we'll go ahead and install that update. That's looking pretty quick. I've seen some of these updates before with GoPro where it takes quite a while. So I'm happy so far as the way that's looking. and now it's actually installing the actual update there. And it says it's going to take several minutes, so we'll see what happens here. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording and be back. I'll let you know how long it actually took to install the update. All right, it took about a minute, and now it is saying updating. So again, good sign. And it does let you know that it is going to power on and off a few times, so you may see the screen go black or then come back. You might get the traditional GoPro beeps that you typically have when it is turned on or off. So far, it's still updating, so again, I'll let you know when it comes back. All right, it has been less than a minute and it just restarted for the first time. Gear is still going, letting us know that it is doing something. All right, so that whole process took about 3.5 minutes. It says that it's still installing the update, but obviously it's not. So hopefully it will let us know what's going on. But yeah, so there we go. Check our camera. Continue. So it's checking for Wi-Fi networks. I'll go ahead and let this go here in just a second. So this is the battery life as it came at 39% here. Oh, it's gonna make me manually put in my Wi-Fi password. And it's connecting to the Wi-Fi now. Just letting that go. So, all right, awesome. So it went ahead and connected. All done. Awesome. Let's go. All right. So we're connecting to the GoPro here just to see kind of how it works, how it looks. Not sure why it's taking so long for the preview there. It's really odd. Usually the preview is super fast. There we go. Okay. There you can see a little bit of the office here. Yeah, it's actually not bad. So I'm looking forward to seeing more with how the GoPro works after we've used it for a little while. So yeah, if you have any questions about the setup process, let me know. But if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like GoPro, going to theme parks, home automation, basically anything a professional geek might find interesting. If any of that is of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.